everyone, I'm here with Pritam and we are here in Salford and he's going to be giving a tour of his house. So you've created your own international hostel here.
Yes.
And practically not paying anything, You would like to share some tips to students how they can find an accommodation. So if you are planning to study in UK, subscribe to the channel and stay updated. 650 pounds, one person per month. Bed space is 7. Kitchen 1, half washroom 1, full washroom 1, living rooms 1. 4, which is very similar to yours, no?
For 1,060 is expensive.
It's expensive.
Yeah, because we rent only 350 even.
Thank you.
Welcome to sunny Salford, my guy. We're done now.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh my god. They had that scary mask in there.
Welcome to sunny Salford.
Hail Holmes. Old scary movie, haunted house.
Big iron gate. But these are like twin houses. But like they are like two. They look like like a one big house, but it's actually two houses.
Oh.
73 and 71. You're practically in the upward window. You can like go jump in from one house to the other.
Hi man. I'm CJ.
You look like you come out of a British movie. Started?
Yeah.
Hi everyone, I'm here with Pritam and we are here in Salford and he's going to be giving a tour of his house. We saw how beautiful house it was. It's gone on sale, so he probably have to move out soon. So good we came in time. Thanks Pritam for taking out time for us here. So can you just show us where you stay?
Sure. So this is our kitchen.
Good work.
There's this one. So this.
Hi.
Hi Nick.
Okay.
Hi. You
Okay.
share the kitchen with your
Yeah,
Yeah,
we share it.
yeah.
We have brought that here as well. So this is the kitchen. We have a sitting area over there.
nice.
Nice.
Do you like to cook Pritam?
I cook sometimes. I cook on weekends. This is the sitting area.
Nice. And you have a nice backyard also.
Yes, exactly. As it is going for sale, so it's not maintained.
Yeah. And you have actually you have a nice fireplace, huh? So this is where you party?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cool.
So my room is upstairs, second floor. And also like that they have
Carpets everywhere.
yes.
So you don't need so much money. Everyone is coming and going out at different times. Do you have like heating in all rooms?
Yes, we have it in our rooms.
Nice. Oh, nice. You have a good window.
How many rooms are here?
Total 7 bedrooms.
7.
here.
That's-
So yeah, we share the kitchen, but like every room has like their own washroom. So that's major plus point.
Yeah. Anyone would really
Definitely.
love that to have.
Yes.
So you can maintain your own hygiene. How much do you pay for this?
I am right now. I'm paying 500 pounds per month. Yes.
And does that include all bills?
yes, yes.
So it includes
Yes.
gas, electricity.
But I think that's a very nice catch that I got.
Yeah.
I don't think I will find anything nearby.
You're always lucky.
Hmm.
You must be doing something right. You got a good house, you got a good job. So I'm sure there is some secret. We'll get to know more about it. Basically, in studying in Manchester,
Yes.
this area around Singleton in Salford is a good place to stay.
It is a good place to stay. Nearby there is Cheetham Hill, which is famous for Indian stores, food.
Right. Just to a little bit know some more things about your experience of staying here. We met Nick
Yes.
earlier
yes.
downstairs. He's probably British.
No, he's from Latvia basically.
He's from Latvia.
Yes.
So Latvia, India, Greece. So you've created your own international hostel here.
Yes.
And practically not paying anything, Because 500 pounds is a lot too. And that's your washroom there.
Yes.
Okay, so you have an ensuite washroom,
Yes, yes.
so that's also good. You don't have to walk out.
Yes.
You have your own private place. You would like to share some tips to students who are coming to Manchester for on how they can find an accommodation.
I would say if they're coming from India, you can always check uni accommodation. But I think spare rooms, if you want an ensuite, like shared one, go for spare room. That is a
Spare
very
room.
good one.
Okay.
So yes. Spare rooms is a very
Spare
good one.
rooms
Yes.
is one which you should look at if you want to find a deal like this. We are here actually not to see just his house, but to actually spend time on understanding his wonderful success of finding a job at Adidas. India में भी यार मिल जाए तो बहुत बड़ी बात है. So we want to find how did he crack his full-time job at Adidas and talk about that a little bit more.